Hi, I'm Benny with Red Hill General Store and allamericancanner.com, and today we are going to be removing a broken gauge stem that is stuck in this lid. It's a common question we get, how to remove this if it breaks off. A lot of times people are putting up their canner for the year and they hit it on something in the cabinet and it snaps off. This is how you get it out of there. You're going to want an EX3 extractor bit, and you can find these on our website, or any hardware store should carry it, your local hardware store. And what you want to do with your EX3 is tap it lightly down into the stem. It doesn't hurt to spray this with a little WD-40 first, or penetrating oil. And then use a pair of channel locks, vice grips. This is a T-handled tap and die wrench, but it's nice because it'll just sit on there. And then lefty loosey, righty tighty, you want to turn left, and as you do, this bit is reverse threaded. It will dig down into it and should be able to pull it out of there. Use these guys now. If yours is really stuck, you just want to be careful not to break off your extractor bit inside of the hole, because then you'll have to drill it out, which can be done. It can be a pain, but you'll want to use a 5/16 or even smaller 1/4 inch drill bit to drill it out without hitting the threads in the lid, because you don't want to damage those. Next, you'll take your new gauge, and you can use a little Teflon tape. You don't need to usually, but it can't hurt. Put a little Teflon tape on the threading and screw it into your lid. Snug it down good with a pair of pliers or a wrench. And that is how you get a broken gauge out of an All-American lid. Thanks for watching.